What's going on, guys? Why should I be the chief donut maker for this contest? Number one, I'm a performance enthusiast. I grew up in Detroit. And when you grow up in Detroit, Detroit is truly the Motor City capital of the world. When I was a young teen, my dad had a 440 Chrysler. He had the 72 Chrysler Imperial with the 440 in there. It was an incredible vehicle to hear that 440 start up in the morning. My dad worked at the Hubert Foundry, in Detroit, so I understand that. Growing up, I had a chance to get out to Detroit Dragway. And you're not a true performance enthusiast if you don't understand Detroit Dragway. Larry Richert was the tech director there. If you don't believe me, you can look it up. I would see these guys here in their 30s and 40s bring out their products, those 4-speeds, right? That Hemi 4-speed. So it's an incredible experience for me. When you hear the word 426, if that doesn't make you stop and take your breath away, you're not a true performance enthusiast. I'm a true performance enthusiast. I'm blessed to have a SRT truck, right? And when I start at that thing every morning, it's incredible. And it's so special. I made it a 426, right? I had a stroker kit, and it's an 11-to-1. It's set up for nitrous or superchargers, so you know it's going to be crazy, right? The reason I feel like I would be the best person, I'm a performance enthusiast. I live the lifestyle. I understand the commitment to performance. You're looking at your check. Do I pay a bill? Do I get a part for my car, right? Do I eat something? Do I eat peanut butter and jelly, or do I buy a part for my car? Do I give my blood, or do I buy a part for my car? I've done all those things, right? I would be honored to truly be a representative. I understand the respect, the responsibility of the brand. And it would be a blessing to be an ambassador to that product line. So I'm going to make another video and share with you what's going on.